Hello everyone, today we will be learning Excel for practical purposes with some basic formulas. At the end of this video, I have attached the files for you to download, so don't forget to watch till the end. Without delay, let's move forward. Here I have taken the example of fruits ordering websites where there are different customers and who have ordered different quantity of fruits. The first question may be, what is the quantity of fruits ordered? In order to calculate the total quantity of fruits ordered, I'm going to use equals to sum and then I'll just give the range. With this, I will be calculating the total quantity of fruits ordered. So the total quantity is 21. And the second question might be, what is the total quantity of mango ordered? Here I have the condition to add only when the fruits ordered is mango, right? So I will be using SUMIFS for single condition. Equals to SUMIFS. The SUMIFS accepts a range. For here, I will give the range and then give a condition, and the condition has to be mango. And I will give the sum range. I will add this one. So this formula basically explains to sum up the quantity if you found the ordered was mango. The next question, what's the total quantity of mango ordered and the customer name has to be Anil, right? So here we have two conditions. The first condition, the fruit has to be mango, and the second condition, the customer has to be Anil, right? So here I will be using SUMIFS. And here, SUMIFS. For SUMIFS, I will have to give the sum range first and the condition later. The first condition is, the fruits has to be mango and the second condition is the customer has to be Anil. So with this, I have got 3. As you can see, the fruit ordered by Anil was 2. Next row was 1. So 2 plus 1, it's 3. Here also you can see the fruit was ordered, but it was by Ramesh. The next question might be, how many times the fruits was ordered? So in order to calculate the total times the fruits was ordered, you will use the formula count. So just go to equals to count and then I will give the numerical data. Remember, the count only accepts the numerical data. So we'll just use this serial number to count the number of times fruits order was made. Then the next question might be, how many times the mango was ordered? In order to calculate the number of times mango was ordered, we're going to use COUNTIFS since we have only one condition, that is to count if the ordered fruits was mango. So just go to equals to count if, and then I'm just going to give a range, and then the condition is mango. So this will calculate the number of times mango was ordered. So you can see the number of mango that's ordered is 3. That's the next question might be, how many times the mango was ordered by a specific customer, Anil. So in order to calculate the number of times mango was ordered by Anil, I'm going to use COUNTIFS since I have multiple conditions. So just go to COUNTIFS. And then the first condition is the fruits has to be mango. And the second condition is the customer has to be Anil. So Anil mango 1 and Anil mango 2, right? So this is the number of times the mango was ordered by Anil. Now, in order to calculate the maximum quantity of fruits ordered, I'm just going to use the max formula. So I'll just give the range of quantity. So the maximum quantity of fruits ordered was 6. and it was by Hari, right? So we will find out the name of Hari as well. So in order to calculate the who ordered the maximum quantity, use the formula equals to index, and index supports rows and columns, right? So first we're going to give the range, and for the row I'm just going to use the match formula, since I'm going to find the maximum position. Here I will use this 6, and then I will search from here, and I need the exact value, so I'll just go for exact. Now this is the row for the index number, so I will be using column. Since I'm going to get the customer name, the column number it will be 1, 2. Who ordered the maximum quantity? It was Hari who ordered the maximum quantity. So with this, this is the solutions, and we have used SUMIFS, COUNTIFS, and max and index maths. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, enjoy learning Excel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video.